Our defense-grade systems ensure exceptional standards are maintained throughout the classified production process. Implementing military engineering protocols, we utilize classified production equipment for hardened electronics integration.
Phase gamma testing complete.
Operational effectiveness confirmed. The unit is within spec.
Systems integration check complete. Quality control is certified for deployment.
Strategic defense manufacturing coordinating tactical performance testing in simulated combat scenarios, ensuring operational effectiveness.
Our strategic manufacturing precision ensures operational effectiveness, utilizing military specification
ensure all classified components are sealed.
Hardened system integrity verified. Proceeding to the next stage. Simulation complete.
All protocols verified.
Implementing military engineering protocols, we maintain strict certification compliance.
Ensure all calibration data matches the engineering protocols.
Quality control confirms military-grade specifications are met on Unit 7. The simulated trajectory confirms the guidance system upgrade.
Verify the impact metrics against the new protocols.
Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement strict military engineering protocols, ensuring strategic manufacturing precision and operational effectiveness. Certification protocols complete. The systems are verified for operational effectiveness and ready for immediate global deployment.
The thermal cycling protocol is complete.
Good. We can initiate the final certification sequence now.
Implementing strict engineering protocols ensures battlefield-tested performance and operational effectiveness across all global military deployments. From initial engineering to tactical testing in simulated scenarios, we ensure strategic precision and operational effectiveness for global deployment. Strict tolerances maintained. All systems green. Global deployment certification achieved. Operational effectiveness confirmed. Implementing strict military engineering protocols ensures every component meets military-grade specifications for global deployment. These systems utilize classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols to ensure combat readiness throughout global deployment. Classified manufacturing protocols guarantee system integrity, ensuring effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
Secure the final housing unit. Verify connections are seated.
Connections verified. Initiating systems diagnostic test sequence.
Ensure compliance with military engineering protocols.
The chassis integrity is maintaining military-grade specifications.
Scan complete.
Component fabrication is optimized. Ready for deployment.
Excellent. That meets the defense-grade standard. Through rigorous quality control and advanced systems integration, we ensure battlefield-tested performance for global military deployment. From manufacturing to simulated combat, our systems undergo rigorous tactical performance testing. We implement military engineering protocols using classified production equipment, ensuring combat readiness and certification compliance for global deployment. From initial integration utilizing classified production equipment, we ensure battlefield-tested performance and operational effectiveness for global military deployment. This defense manufacturing sequence implements strict military engineering protocols, ensuring every ruggedized assembly maintains
Quality control confirms the system's integration. The manufacturing precision on this run is exceptional.
Agreed. It ensures operational effectiveness for deployment.
Ensure all tactical performance metrics align with engineering protocols.
Confirmed. The simulated combat scenario is running at full parameters.
Executing classified research protocols in advanced materials processing, ensuring military-grade specifications for global deployment.
From initial manufacturing to final certification, we implement rigorous military protocols, guaranteeing
Implementing military engineering protocols. Simulation indicates green status.
Confirmed. Operational effectiveness achieved. Ready for global deployment.
Implementing strict military engineering protocols ensures operational effectiveness throughout global deployment.
Access granted. Clearance verified. Classified material processing initiated. Operational effectiveness 99.8%.
Initiating diagnostic rotation on the turret.
Rotation stable. Locking sequence engaged. System operational.
Exterior inspection complete. No anomalies detected. Requesting final clearance.
Copy that. Operational readiness validated. Deployment authorized.
Utilizing classified production equipment, we ensure operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment. Tactical performance is certified in real-time simulations.
Classified protocols ensure advanced materials processing meets defense-grade specifications for global military deployment.
A sequence of military-grade precision. We utilize classified production equipment. Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement military engineering protocols, ensuring operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment. Protocol 7 initiated. All systems green. UAV stabilizing. Power levels nominal.
This sequence utilizes classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols.
Apply the primary seal now.
Confirmed. The secondary tag is active.
Comprehensive validation protocols initiated.
Confirming all tactical performance specifications are met.
Operational reliability confirmed. Quality exceptional.
Priority 1 delivery inbound. Confirm green status on all assets.
Green status confirmed. Supply chain secured.
Project Thunderbolt is stable at 92%. Look at the energy signature in this grid sector.
It's fluctuating. Recalibrate the tactical drones for deployment within the hour.
Our training center ensures specialized personnel adhere to the strictest defense standards and operational protocols.
Expertise. The facility demonstrates fully synchronized continuous production, integrating quality control and efficient logistics.